Hey everybody, welcome back to Tutoring Solutions ACT Problem a Day. We're looking at number 2 here from the 2019 December test. It says in the figure below, angle BAC measures 35 degrees, angle ABC measures 95 degrees, and points BCD are collinear. What's the measure of angle ACD? So first thing, whenever I'm reading a geometry problem, I'm always concerned because there's a lot of words and then they give me a picture and what's already on the picture. So I go through this thing and I read it, BAC measures 35 degrees. Well, BAC is this angle right here, and it's already labeled 35 degrees. So that information is not really important to me because it says it in the picture, so I cross that out. It says angle ABC measures 95 degrees. Well, ABC is 95 degrees. We already know that in the picture. So again, I'm going to cross that information out. I don't need that in the words and in the picture. I just have it in the picture. Then it says points B, C, and D are collinear. That means they're all on the same line. That seems pretty obvious to me as well. So I'm going to cross that out. Really, all it's asking is for the measure of ACD. So this problem could just say in the figure below, what's the measure of ACD? And that's all you need to know. So with these geometry problems, sometimes it's important to make sure you realize that the information that's read to you when you're reading the problem, if it's already on the picture, you don't need to know that. If it's something extra, then you need to add that, okay? So we're trying to figure out the measure of this angle. So first thing I notice is there's a triangle with 3 angles, and always, 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 those 3 angles should add up to 180. So I've got 35 plus 95 plus this third angle, right? I'll call it X, and I'll label that inside there. That has to equal 180. So if I add those two together, I get 130. So 130 plus what makes 180? Well, if you don't know the answer to that, just take away 130 from 180, and you get 50 degrees. So this angle inside here is 50 degrees, okay? So what do you know about 2 angles that form a straight line together? They also have to add up to 180. So if that little angle inside their X is 50, then that means the other piece is going to have to add to it. So we'll call this Y. We'll label that angle Y. 50 plus Y equals 180. Now, do you know what angle adds to 50 to be 180? If you don't know that, you just subtract 50 from both sides, and you get that Y is equal to 130. And that's the angle they're asking us for, so that's the answer we're going to give. So answer choice H, 130 degrees is our correct answer. All right, we'll see you guys next time.